If you are watching this, you are probably curious, thinking about what's next. So, hey freshers, this ain't just any degree college. It's where learning meets vibe, where learners become leaders, goals meet growth, and you level up. So curious, right? First thing first, let's meet our honorable principal.
Welcome. Welcome. Hello. I'm Dr. Vijita Shetty. I'm the principal of Vivek College of Commerce. I'm very happy to introduce the college to all of you. This is a college which is established in 1986. It's been almost 40 years of its existence. And now it has been recognized as an autonomous college by none other than UGC. A college which is ISO 21001 2018 recognized by none other than TUE Austria. A college which is 3 times accredited by NAC. This is a college which is a multi-faculty college where we offer programs. We've got about 13 programs offering at the undergraduate level, postgraduate level. We also have our PhD centers. A college which provides program for all. In the Faculty of Commerce, we have got BCom. We've got BCom with specialization in accountancy and finance, in banking and insurance, in financial markets, and management studies. So we have got programs even in the Faculty of Science. We have got undergraduate program in information technology, BSc in artificial intelligence and data science. We have got MSc in information technology. In the Faculty of Arts, we have got BA in multimedia and mass communication. We also have a post-graduation MA in multimedia and mass communication. And we also have a PhD center in business policy and administration. So we cater to about more than 2,500 students in our college. And we believe that providing quality education is very, very important. And that's why we believe in holistic education. So we go beyond the 4 walls of classroom teaching, making students excel in cultural activities, sports, entrepreneurship, training them in community services. This is just a small glimpse of what we do. We also encourage our students to represent college at the state level, university level, national level, and also our students have represented at the international level. To speak about all these things, the best is what our alumni has to say, and the testimony is what they are doing. They are leaders in the corporate world, they are social change makers, they are entrepreneurs. And they are very good academicians. They are holding very good position in different schools and colleges. That's what Vivek College is all about. So for those who dream, this is a place where you can change your dreams. This is a place which will give you the direction. If you have the potential, then this is a place which will give you the purpose. So come join us, be a Vivian and make a career, because it's very important to choose a right institution where your passion and your growth will make a difference. So God bless all of you and see you at Vivek.
Now that you have met the captain of our ship, let's move forward. Next up, our pride and powerhouse of our innovation, the Incubation Center.
Good morning everyone. Myself Balaji Krishnan, President of Center for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship at Vivek College of Commerce Autonomous, and also the Campus Ambassador at IIT Bombay in collaboration with Upstocks and Education Vibes.
And myself Vedika Gowde, the Vice President of Center for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship of Vivek College of Commerce Autonomous.
It gives me a great pride to share with you the journey of entrepreneurship cell at Vivek College of Commerce, which began on 11 December 2018 and has transformed into Meraki Pre-Incubation and Incubation Center, which established on 28 December 2021. We are proud to be the first college in Maharashtra to establish under MITSC which gives us the commitment towards our innovation, incubation, and industry collaboration. We are proud to be the first college in Maharashtra to establish an incubation center under MITSC. This is a big milestone that reflects our commitment towards Center for Innovation, Incubation, and Industry Collaboration.
Our team have made us proud in National Entrepreneurship Challenge conducted by IIT Bombay. In year 2022-23, we secured second position in the basic track, and in year 2023-24, we have secured fifth position in the advanced track among the 900 plus engineering colleges across the country. The year 2023-24 was especially rewarding. We achieved IIC certification, recognition from Google for our very first podcast and our very first attempt. The Ministry of Education rewarded us 3-star rating out of 5.
We also organize SEC, that is State Entrepreneurship Challenge, which is our flagship event. In this event, the students not only participate from state level but also participate across the country. These achievements are not just milestones but also a true reflection of dedication and hard work of our students, faculty, and partners. Together, we are building the Vivek College of Commerce into a true entrepreneurial hub. Thank you.
From ideas to impact, our incubation center is where creativity turns into real world change. Got a startup dream? This is where it begins. But hey, it's not all work and no play. Welcome to the heart of student life, the Gymkhana.
I am Harish Shailendra Paralkar, Sports Director of Vivek College of Commerce. At Vivek College, we strongly believe that sports builds discipline, coordination and confidence. Every year our students participate and achieve remarkable success in various sports events at district, state, national and all India level. We always committed to provide better sports facilities to our students and to promoting health fitness across the campus. With the support of our dedicated student volunteers in Sports and Gymkhana Committee, we successfully organize indoor and outdoor sports events. Sports and Gymkhana Committee waiting for our upcoming athletes. Thank you.
While fun and festivity fuel the spirit, service shapes the soul. Welcome to the NSS room, where responsibility meets action.
Jai Hind. Namaskar to everyone. My name is Professor Mayur Shah and I am the NSS Program Officer of NSS Unit of Vivek College of Commerce. Our college has a very vibrant and innovative NSS unit. The National Service Scheme, NSS, is a service program by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of the Government of India. It aims at developing students' personalities through community services. The qualified volunteers is awarded with the certificate provided by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of the Government of India. In our college, we conduct various activities related to the environment, skill development, health and wellness, blood donation, joy of giving, national and state days celebration. Seminars and workshops are also conducted to enhance the knowledge related to the community services. Our NSS unit has also won various awards for social activities from the university level to the national level. Our unit comprises of 200 volunteers who happily serve in nation building #Nation First. Our motto is not me but you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
After action comes reflection, and there is no better place for that than the library. Welcome to the knowledge hub of our campus, the library.
I'm Bindu Verma, librarian of Vivek College. I'm introducing you to the library. Our library has a vast collection of resources. We have more than 36,000 books which are stored in the compactor, 25 periodicals, 15 newspapers in 6 languages, and we have purchased 3 databases. Our library catalog is available at the entrance up through the EduSpin app, and we also have it on our website. Thank you and see you in the library.
Now that you have filled your mind with knowledge, it's time to put it into action. Welcome to the lab, where theory meets reality and curiosity becomes creation.
Namaste, I'm Professor Maria Muthukumar, Coordinator of BSc IT Department, serving at Vivek College of Commerce for the last 17 years. I'm glad to welcome you all and introduce to our well-equipped computer laboratories. We have 3 dedicated labs catering to the learning needs of our undergraduate and postgraduate programs that we offer, as we all are aware about the technological revolution and NEP 2020, which caters to digitized learning. Our labs are well equipped with modern and efficient environment for learning, for a better practical hands-on work for each student. We provide high-end performance computers, well-equipped software tools for programming, software development and data analysis. Our labs are enabled with high-end internet speed to enable online resources and cloud services. Additionally, we have projectors in each of our labs for providing uninterrupted learning to each of our learners. Our goal is mainly to bring out the theoretical knowledge into a practical hands-on and enable and enhance the technical skills of each of our learners at this global industry. We at Vivek College of Commerce are eagerly waiting for each one of you to be part of this learning environment and become global thinkers, innovators and creators. Thank you.
After all that lab hustle, it's time to recharge. The yummiest stop on the campus, the canteen. More than just a place to eat, this is where friendships are made, bonds are built, and stories are shared over snacks. From hot samosas to chill vibes, every break here feels like a mini festival. You have seen the vibe, you have felt the energy, and this is just the beginning. Here, you won't just earn a degree, you will discover your potential, build lifelong friendships, and create memories that you will carry for forever. So gear up, dream big, stay curious, and once again, welcome to the family, welcome to your new beginnings.